Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to insert planes in SolidWorks. Normally, we have three standard planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane. But apart from this, if we want a plane at a particular distance or angle to the standard plane, we can create it. Let's go to top plane, and sketch. Draw a geometry, say a circle on it. And exit. Suppose you want another plane with reference to the top plane. Select top plane, go to Feature. Go to Reference Geometry, and click on the drop-down. There are 5 different options, out of which we will select plane. Now see, another plane is created at a distance of 10 mm. You can change the distance from here. Now look at the relation from the top plane. Currently it is parallel. You can make it perpendicular as well. You can also make it coincident. We can use this option when we want a reference plane on the face of a solid body. We can also create a plane at a specific angle. We will choose distance for now. There is a flip option, to change the direction of the reference plane. There is also an option of midplane, if you want to create a plane at equal distance from two different faces or planes. If you want multiple number of planes, you can increase the number from here. I want 5 planes. Each plane is numbered for easy reference. If you want to draw any geometry, you can just select the plane and sketch on it. This is how you can simply create reference plane in 3D modeling. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.